Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with C programming video tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to passing parameters to a function. Let's start. In this tutorial we create a function called sub which subtract two numbers and print the result. The function sub takes two parameters. The first thing that we need to do, write the function prototyping. So write here void. Here void indicates that the function does not return any value. Then write the function name, that is sub, and then within parentheses write the parameters. This function takes two parameters of type integer. So write here int x and int y. When we write the function prototyping, we need to specify the number of parameters that the function takes. Another thing is that when we do the prototyping, we do not need to write the variable names, just to write the data types. So delete the variable names, that is y and x. This informs the compiler that the function sub takes two integer type parameters. Next we need to define the function sub after the main function. So write here void, then function name, and then within parentheses write the parameter int x and then int y. Next within curly braces write the function body. Here first we need to declare a variable to hold the result of the subtraction. So I am gonna declare here int result. Next we perform the subtraction operation, that is result equal to x minus y. Then we print the result. So I am gonna write here printf subtraction of %d and %d is %d. Here first %d print the value of the variable x, second %d print the value of the variable y, and the last %d print the value of the variable result. Next thing that we need to do, call the subtraction function from the main function. So write here sub and within parentheses write the parameter, that is a and b. We need to declare these two parameters before using in the function. So I am gonna write here int a equal to 100 and b equal to 40. Let's check the output, compile it and run it. As you can see here, subtraction of 100 and 40 is 60. Okay, let me explain how it works. Program execution start from the main function. Inside the main function we call the subtraction function. It takes two parameters a and b. A's value is 100 and b's value is 40. A's value is copied to the variable x and b's value is copied to the variable y. Inside the subtraction function, the variable result hold the value of the operation x minus y, that is 100 minus 40, which is equal to 60. Then we print the value of the variable x, y and result. That's why we getting subtraction of 100 and 40 is 60. Another thing I explain you, we can take the input from the user at runtime. To do this we need to ask user to enter two numbers. So delete this value and I am gonna write here printf please enter two number and a new line. Then we need to scan these two numbers. So I am gonna write here scanf %d and then ampersand a ampersand b. Now compile it and run it. It asking you please enter two number. I am gonna enter 50 and 30. Subtraction of 50 and 30 is 20 because 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. That's it. Hope you understand. See you next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel.